What is happening, traders? Thank you for tuning in, guys. We're going to be charting out UXIN here. We're going to start where I got out of my calls. I had $1 calls going throughout the year. I got out of all of them because earnings came out and we saw a nice run up and I wasn't convinced. So I'm looking to get in at a lower price. Still like the long-term idea and prospect of UXIN, but waiting for a price drop, and it may be coming shortly. Earnings are coming around again very quickly. Hopefully it's not the same delay process that they did last time. Now that the partnership with JD is going on, hopefully it's a little more formal, a little more on time and organized. We are riding the 50-day EMA right here. That's the orange line. We're above the 200-day EMA, so there's still the area of value. Remember, anything I believe above the 200 EMA is an area of value. Now, if we break below the 50-day or this trend line, I think we're going to fall a little bit and bounce off of this and come up. But if we break both of these and then earnings aren't good, I think this thing is going right back down to $252. Earnings is really going to have to be spectacular to keep this run going, because this is not justifying the sales and the revenue that they were seeing. And not that the stock market, the stock reflects the company at all, but sometimes equities do have to get back in line. So with that being said, you do have potential here for a nice jump. It is looking a little extended if it jumps from the 200-day moving average. So you may see a drop after that, but overall, the long-term prospects of this, I like it. I'm just waiting for a drop down to the 250 range over here, maybe even lower. If I never see that, I'm okay with it. I still have all my shares, guys. So I pissed off the UXIN community by going full bear on them, and I guess that was the wrong approach. I should have just said I was waiting for the price drop. I didn't necessarily agree with a lot of the bullish statements that were coming out, but that's for another story. I mean, a lot of potential here, guys. Stay in it. Watch for the price. We could see a nice run up if we get a nice bounce off the 50-day or 200-day, but if we break below both of them with no support, if the volume drops, we're going to tumble down, guys. If earnings are bad, they're going to tumble. So look for more forward guidance and look for those numbers of cars to increase. And let's see what that JD partnership did too.